That way you're going to make a lot of profit. Don't you think so? So village to the city business is one business idea that you can step in. You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you top 10 great business ideas for graduates. You know, in our country, once you graduate from the university, there are a lot of things happen to those people. Number one, the parents withdraw from financing, from funding, from giving you pocket money, because they feel that now that you have completed your studies, you should also take care of certain things. Now, pressure, there will be pressure on you to also give back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some business ideas, low capital startup business ideas that will certainly put money in your pocket. Stick to the end of this video and you will never regret it. Let's go straight to the video. Number one is rabbit farming business. This is one lucrative business that if you step in, you're going to make huge amount of money. Do you know why? In rabbit farming, 90% of the feeds are natural. 90%, unlike poultry that you need to buy the corn, buy feed, bags of feeds, and then rear your birds. In rabbit farming, it's so unique that almost every grass around you they eat, almost every grass, because they are pseudo ruminants. By that I mean they can eat both grass and other things, the pelleted food. So this is one lucrative business that you can step in and make money. Do you know that the pregnancy duration of or the gestation period of rabbit is just 31 days? That means it will take 31 days for a rabbit to put to bed, and that same rabbit will be ready within 6 days to be mate by the male and also still get pregnant. So this is how productive this business is. So in a period of a year, you will expand beyond your imagination. You start making money because you can sell the meat, the rabbit as meat. You can sell the skin as leather. You can sell the urine as pesticide. You can also sell the droppings as manure. So everything around rabbit business is money. Everything will give you money. There is no losses in rabbit business, and they are not always infected, unlike poultry, cattle, and other livestock business. So this is one business that you can step in as a graduate and make money. Number two is you can become a content creator. You bear me witness that a lot of Nigerians are making good money online this day. Now, just what I'm doing now, I'm a content creator. I create videos and upload on YouTube. You can also upload on different platforms and make money. Do you know that the least YouTube can pay you is $100? Now, as a Nigerian, if you convert that, it will be 45,000 naira. So if you start YouTube business, you are going to make money if you are a content creator, and when once you cross 1,000 subscribers, you are good to go, and you can do it as a career for life, and you'll be making thousands of dollars. So YouTube is one of the best business that you can step in, and because you are trained, you can use the area you studied and create videos. Those handouts that you bought from lecturers, most of the textbooks, pick the topics there and create on them to videos and supply online. You're going to make money within 3-4 months time. I tell you that you are going to start making money. That way you can help your brothers, your sisters, your siblings, the people around you. Another easy way to make money as a graduate is e-commerce. There are a lot of platforms online. I don't want to mention names, and that you can step in and make money. The one that is good for me may not be good for you. So go online, search ways that you can make money through e-commerce. That means you sell things online. You don't need to own any product. You don't need to own any commodity, anything. All you need is copy and paste. You can advertise on your platform, on your Facebook platform, without owning, and people click, you have a commission. Also, now you can negotiate with certain companies that produce certain products, manufacture certain products, and then you advertise for them. When they buy, you have your own commission, you have your cash. When you sell, you have your cash, and you are selling to the world. You are selling to the whole world, not just Nigeria. So this is one lucrative area that you can step in and make good money. Another idea that you can step in and make good money is mini imports. In Nigeria, we import almost everything we use. So if you step into importation, you are going to make money. And the easiest one is phone accessories. You can import from China and make good profit. You import very low and sell very high. So mini import is one of the easiest business that you can step in and start making money, because when you import those accessories, when you import those things that you can easily sell them, when they get to Nigeria, it will be very low. The cost will be very low, and then you unbox them and start selling, and you are engaged, you're employed, you have created a business for yourself that can grow to be a mega company, and you make your own money. The fifth business idea I'm going to share with you is food delivery. Now, if you study anything related to food, like the home science, food science, and other nutrition and other fields that are related to food or agri, this is one lucrative area that you can step in and make good money. Do you know why? There are a lot of persons engaged in offices, in so many event places, that they cannot cook, and so you can deliver the food to them and make good money. Food delivery is one business that is trending now in Nigeria. You prepare the food from the comfort of your home and deliver them to wherever the demand is. Advertise on Facebook, share your business cards to people, spread it, advertise yourself, and start delivering your food. Make your money from the comfort of your home. Before we continue, please do subscribe and click on that notification bell. Six is bookshop. This is one easy area. Now I'm going to explain this bookshop in another aspect that you might have not seen. You might have been expected, you might have expected me to explain how you rent a shop, buy books, and put it there. In this channel we explain it the unconventional way. Now this is how you are going to make money in bookshop. You just graduated from the university, and now in that department where you study, there are books that cannot be found. There are books that are very difficult to access by students. Now connect to the lecturers that are in charge of that course, those courses, and then supply the books. You get your money clean, because lecturers are going to make it compulsory, and they will buy every semester. You supply, and that way you have started collecting your school fees back from them. So this is another great idea that you can step in. Another business idea I want to share with you is B2B business idea. You might have not heard it. That is business to business. Now, there are people that have manufactured products and they don't know how to market them. There are persons also that their company depends on another company, on another people, for them to make their production or to excel. Now you can connect these companies. There are marketers, there are producers. There are marketers who are looking for product to market. There are producers that are looking for marketers. All you need to do is to package yourself, approach producers, connect marketers to those producers, stay back and collect your commission. So business to business. Another way is you can be supplying certain raw materials to some production companies and you make your money. For instance, in River State here, there are companies that lack a lot of raw materials. Those juice companies, they lack the raw materials. So you can get these raw materials from the north and supply it and make good money. Number 8 is make use of the NYC skill acquisition. Now, when you graduated, you went for NYC, and in that camp, you acquired certain skills. Don't just bury them. You can follow your passion and make use of those skills. Start manufacturing. Maybe you learn how to manufacture perfume, liquid soap, uh, whatever skill you acquired there, start making use of them, because I know in that place they train you on things that are not capital intensive. So because they are not capital intensive, you can start them. Now if you don't have money, go to Bank of Industry with your certificate, get a loan there, and they give loan very easy in Bank of Industry. So you can step into Bank of Industry, get a loan, and start your business. Stop complaining that you don't have capital at all. Number 9 business idea I'm going to share with you is village to city supplies. There are things that they produce in your locality, in your village. A lot of things that the villagers produce, the farmers produce these things, and they are unable to shift them from the village to the city. Now, all you need to do is to gather a little capital, let's say 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, and you're good to go. You go to the village, buy this, especially gari, rice, yam, carrots, whatever thing that is rampant in your own local area. Get those things and supply it to the city that is nearby. That way, you're going to make a lot of profit. Don't you think so? So, village to the city business is one business idea that you can step in very easy as a graduate. Use the mind, the brain that you have sharpened, and make good money. Finally, number 10 is not a business idea, but how you will run this business and make good money. I made mention of what I'm about to tell you in one of my videos, so you can also check in some of my videos and watch. But this, listen attentively. In business, there's what we call QTC: quality, time, and cost. Now, whatever you are stepping into, you must be mindful of the quality and then the cost. That is, if you are to buy, for instance, pineapple from the village, you must be mindful of the quality, the cost, and the cost also that you will sell, the amount you're going to sell in the city, and then the time. Those people that are waiting for you in the city, the customers that you've built, and the customers in the village that they believe that you come and buy from them and send it to the city, and then they have harvested their produce. And if you are nowhere to be found, they will no longer supply those goods to you. Now, those that buy from you in the city, if they wait 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and you are nowhere to be found, definitely they will look for another customer. So for you, the time T is very important. That T there is very, very important. Are you ready to deliver whenever you are needed? Now, the cost of your produce, because these people already have customers. For you to break in, you must know the right price and then negotiate those that you are to supply. So you need to negotiate with those that you are to supply and those that you are buying from, and a way that you are going to have good profit margins. So QTC is one business area that you cannot do without. So you must sit down and scrutinize your QTC. Step into these 9 businesses. Now, if there is any of these ideas you want me to create a whole video on, just comment below, and I will create a video on that topic, on that business idea, and simplify it, dissolve it for you in a way that you know step by step on how to go about it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe and click on the notification bell, whenever we upload awesome videos, business ideas, and how you can grow your business in this channel, you are going to be the first to enjoy it. Keep watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.